This Japanese fellow has a little bit of a cold start problem, long cranks and iffy start. So let's check the glow plugs. First of all, we're going to measure the total resistance of the whole pack. When you have resistors in parallel, the total resistance is less than the individual. So considering each glow plug should have about 1 ohm of resistance, we're looking for pretty much a short circuit. I'm going to find a good ground somewhere. And nothing in total. Meter is working. So we either have no good glow plugs or something else is wrong. But the meter doesn't lie. I am gonna disconnect the battery just in case. It's technically not necessary, but to be on the safe side. On the Toyota, we have these plastic caps that protect the connectors. You can just undo them by hand, and then you have a 10mm nut to undo the rail. Undoing glow plugs is a little bit of a risky business. It's possible that you break one of them and it stays in the engine. Technically, it's not the end of the world if it's just one. If you break the first one and then you break the second one, I wouldn't try undoing the last two. But I think we should be fine here. Okay, one down. This one was barely tight. Two down. Three down. With all four out, we can cosplay as Wolverine, or we can go test them. Nothing. 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 And just for argument's sake, this is a brand new one out of the box. 1 ohm. Perfect. You can also test them with a jumper cable. You attach one end to the negative terminal of the battery, the other end to the base of the glow plug, smack it on the positive terminal, and if it's a bad one, nothing will happen. If it's a good one, it turns bright red really quickly. The new ones are supposed to be torqued to 16 Newton meters, but I don't have a torque wrench that goes that low, so I'm gonna go by feel. And now put back the rail. Okay. And the teeny tiny nuts. plastic caps. As it turns out, those were the original glow plugs from 2009. So hardly surprising they failed after 17 years, 16ish. Anyways, the Japanese guy is going to be starting much better in the cold winter mornings. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.